I saw this arc I'm going to be including in this tutorial. I saw it on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm HDSIGNATURES. Today's video is going to be a TikTok brow arc. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. I'll see you in my next one. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill in your brows using an eyeshadow with a setting spray. So before that, I'm going to go ahead and use a lash glue to hold down my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and use classic lash glue to hold down my brows. I'm going to be picking up an eyeshadow. I'll spray my setting spray on the particular shade I'm using an angle brush to pick the shade. I'm using Zickel concealer to clean my brows. I'm using golden beige and I'm also using honey. I'm going to be making use of this brush to clean my brows. So I'm not going to be extending the concealer to my brow head because I like the effect, I like the way it looks. So I think I've stopped doing that. The reason why I stopped putting concealer at the beginning part of my brow is when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I like to take my bronzer or a deep shade of powder closer to that side just to give it dimension. So at the end of the day, I clean off the concealer, so there's no point adding it when I'm still going to clean it off. So I don't usually go to the top side of my brows to clean it off because I feel it looks too drawn on, boxy, so I don't usually do that. I like it when you have that feathery edges at the top side of my brows. And let me know if you're going to be trying this out. I really love this arc. I mean, this arc is something that's going to stay with me for a long period of time because I like how my brows look like. They are not so really filled in, and I like the way they are not looking boxy. And the shades of eyeshadow I picked is actually my perfect brow hair color. Let me know if you guys like this. Comment down in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.